Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting for you. We're going to showcase the top 10 cool multi-tools that you absolutely need to check out. These innovative gadgets are going to revolutionize the way you tackle everyday tasks. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. The Gerber Gear Suspension NXT 15-in-1 Multi-Tool Pocket Knife Set is a versatile and reliable EDC gear made from durable stainless steel. It features spring-loaded pliers, a wire stripper, medium flathead driver, awl, file, and ruler. The stainless steel welded pocket knife includes a No. 2 cross driver, small flathead driver, can opener, bottle opener, large flathead driver, wire stripper, 2.25-inch partially serrated blade, tool lock, lanyard point, and pocket clip. Its slim design ensures easy accessibility and fits compactly in a pocket or can be attached with the pocket clip. This multi-tool is a great addition to the gear of hunters, tradesmen, and everyday carry enthusiasts. Whether you're camping, working, or fishing, it proves to be a valuable tool. With an overall length of 4.25 inches, closed length of 6.2 inches, and weighing just 6.4 ounces, it strikes a perfect balance between functionality and portability. The 7-in-1 Multi-Tool by GIRIAITUS is a high-quality and versatile EDC tool suitable for everyday use. It serves as a multi-size bolt nut wrench, slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, multi-tool knife, and car window breaker. This all-in-one design makes it a practical and impressive tool. Crafted with the EDC enthusiast in mind, this multi-tool is made from 3CR13 superior 9-stage craftsmanship, ensuring excellent hardness, HRC 56, heat resistance, and anti-corrosion properties. The CNC integrated cutting process guarantees accuracy and a flawless finish. With its safety locking design, the pocket knife multi-tool prevents accidental closing and potential hand injuries. Portable and versatile, this keychain multi-tool can be easily attached to belt loops, backpacks, or carabiners, making it suitable for mountaineering, traveling, camping, fishing, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Its mini size makes it perfect for on-the-go use, and the wrench multi-tool comes in handy for repairs during outdoor adventures. It is an essential tool for camping gear and everyday needs. The Pohaku 13-in-1 Pocket Multi-Tool is a versatile and compact tool that offers a large blade for secure and comfortable heavy-duty cutting. With its safety locking function, you can prevent accidental blade closures and ensure safe operation. This multi-tool features needle nose pliers, standard pliers, wire cutters, a multi-function knife, can opener, screwdrivers, files, rope cutter, saw, and serrated knife, providing a solution for various tasks. It's a pocket-sized toolbox that can handle almost any job. What sets it apart is its one-hand operation. With a simple push, you can easily slide out the large blade knife, allowing for quick access to specific tools without fully opening the pliers. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a durable nylon bag for convenient storage and transportation. Whether for everyday carry, maintenance work, or outdoor survival, the Pohaku 13-in-1 Pocket Multi-Tool is a reliable companion. The BIIB Multi-Tool is a compact and versatile tool with 12 essential functions for daily life. It offers a wide range of capabilities for tasks such as plumbing, furniture repair, scraping, screwing, and nail rubbing. With its portable size of only 13.5 centimeters, it comes with a convenient nylon storage bag, making it easy to carry in a backpack, pocket, or hang on a belt. Whether you're hiking, camping, or at home, this multi-tool is designed to be practical and useful in various situations. It's a reliable companion that ensures you have the necessary tools right at your fingertips. The Maven 10-in-1 Multi-Tool Pen Set is a versatile tool featuring 10 combined functions. It includes a super bright LED light, stylus top, rulers, metric and imperial, bubble leveler, bottle opener, screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips, hex screwdriver, SIM card removal tool, and a ballpoint pen. The pens come in different colors for easy identification. With a durable aluminum body, it comes with 2 ink refills, 3 extra batteries, and 2 additional ink refills. Ideal for home improvement, construction, electrical work, and DIY projects, it offers convenience and functionality. The set also includes features like a touchscreen stylus, bubble level, and SIM card remover. The Canal Multitool wrench is a versatile and portable tool that combines 7 essential functions in one compact design. It features pliers, wire cutters, a flat screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a wrench, a knife, and a folding multifunctional tool. With its lightweight and pocket-sized dimensions of 5 inches in length, 1.4 inches in width, and 0.4 inches in height, it's perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, cooking, hunting, picnics, and more. This multi-tool offers practicality in various environments and can be a reliable helper. With its 7 tools, including pliers, screwdrivers, and a wrench, it provides the functionality you need for everyday tasks. The ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable grip for both right-handed and left-handed users. With its removable pocket clip and durable nylon sheath, this multi-tool is easily portable and can be attached to your belt. The wrench opens up to 200 mm wide, and the pliers also open up to 200 mm, weighing just 195 grams. It's lightweight and convenient to carry wherever you go. The Leatherman Signal Camping Multi-Tool is the perfect adventure companion, measuring 4.5 inches in length and featuring 19 different tools. From pliers and wire cutters to a knife, saw, hammer, can opener, and diamond-coated sharpener, it offers a comprehensive set of functions to tackle any task. Designed for ease of use, the Signal features one-hand deployment, allowing for effortless opening and utilization of tools, even those not accessible from the outside. With all locking tools, you can multitask safely and without worry. Equipped with a pocket clip and carabiner, the Signal is always within reach and ready for action. Attach it to your backpack, clip it onto your pocket, or use the included sheath to keep it covered and protected. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing emergency situations, the Leatherman Signal Camping Multi-Tool is a reliable and versatile tool that ensures you're prepared for any challenge that comes your way. The Dremel 4300 Rotary Toolkit revolutionizes rotary tools with its 3-jaw chuck, allowing tool-less and collet-less accessory changes. The pivot light provides optimal illumination, while the powerful motor with variable speed and electronic feedback circuitry enables a wide range of applications. Its slim, ergonomic body design ensures a comfortable grip, and the redesigned airflow system keeps it cool, quiet, and smooth. With the Dremel 4300, you can easily switch between accessories, enjoy excellent visibility, and experience the joy of completing projects efficiently and effectively. This rotary toolkit is a versatile and powerful tool that caters to DIY, crafting, and hobbyist needs. The Leatherman Wave Plus multi-tool is a reliable and versatile tool that is built to last. It now includes premium replaceable wire cutters, ensuring its ability to tackle tough jobs, whether big or small, for years to come. This multi-tool serves as an instant toolkit, offering a wide range of 18 tools. From pliers and replaceable wire cutters to a wire stripper, knives, saw, spring-action scissors, ruler, can and bottle openers, files, and screwdrivers, it equips you with everything you need for various tasks. One of its standout features is the one-hand opening mechanism, allowing you to easily access and utilize the tools, even the ones that aren't accessible from the outside. With all locking blades, you can confidently cut and work with precision, whether at home, outdoors, or on the job site. Crafted from stainless steel, the Leatherman Wave Plus is a pocket-sized classic that offers durability and reliability. It comes with a nylon sheath for convenient storage and transportation. With its versatile functionality and trustworthy design, it's the go-to multi-tool for any situation. The Victorinox Swiss Army Multi-Tool Swiss Champ Pocket Knife is a compact powerhouse with 33 functions. Made in Switzerland, it boasts a height of 1.3 inches, a length of 3.6 inches, and weighs 6.5 ounces. This pocket knife includes essential tools like blades, screwdrivers, can opener, scissors, pliers, wire cutter, saw, file, magnifying glass, and more. Crafted with stainless steel and ABS and Celador scales, it offers durability and quality. Whether for outdoor adventures, everyday carry, or emergencies, the Swiss Champ Pocket Knife is a versatile tool ready to tackle various tasks. With its impressive range of functions, it is a reliable companion for any situation.
Can you dig it?